Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So in this today's episode, I'm going to deal with a revision session. So this will helpful to you for your upcoming 10th examination. So then let me start about those revision session. Now let me see about some of the MCQ questions relating to your SSLC exams. So first question, national income divided by the total population. So we get dash. There are four options there here. Right? First one is real national income. Second one is per capita income. Third one is purchasing power. And the fourth one is World Development Report. So what is this question? First you need to find out which is odd one. Okay. So at that time you can identify the real solution here. So national income divided by the total population. So we obtain or we get, that is answer, per capita income, option B. Why? Because per capita income is what? That is per head income of the individual. Okay, or the population. So per head income is called per capita income. So per head income, so it has been converted into the total income. So that total income is what? National income. Okay, so per capita income, that is we obtained by dividing the national income into the total population. So that option is what? Per capita income. Now we'll move on to second question. Health is measured in terms of dash. Means, as you know that already, the human development index, so which consists, there are so many indicators, mainly that is education, means literacy rate, and also life expectancy, along with the what, that is per capita income or the purchasing power of an individual, right? So that here education, it is measured in terms of literacy rate. Okay, then what about health which is measured in terms of that is life expectancy. So life expectancy is what? It is relating to the health. So that answer, that is option C, that is life expectancy. Then next question number 3. Gram Swaraj was the concept of dash. Means whose concept is the Gram Swaraj? Okay, because you know that what? The dream of gram, of village, that is held by who? Mahatma Gandhiji, because he said that, he told that what? The real development of a country, that is because of only by the development of villages, right? So that who said about or whose concept is relating to the Gram Swaraj, that is Mahatma Gandhiji. So that answer option D, Mahatma Gandhiji. Next, we'll move on to question number 4. That is economic development is a dash. Means economic development is what type of concept it is. So development is, that is a concept of a process. Okay, so economic development is a process. It is one of the process in which what we can make the development. So that answer is what? Economic development is a process. So option A. And the fifth question, dash is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. That means what is, we can say that all the total final goods and services which produce in a country in a year. So that is called as national income. Okay, so the national income is what? That is all the final goods and services or the total final goods and services which is produced by a country in a year, that is called as national income. Okay, per capita income is what? That is per head income of an individual. Okay, so that option A, national income, is the answer. Okay, this is for the fifth question. Okay students, remaining part we'll discuss in the next session, and also practice these 5 questions also, because this will helpful to you for your examination, means upcoming SSLC examination. Thank you.